Hi, this is Shanna for Trinity Stamps. I'm here today showcasing the new Hip to Be Square die set from the Warm and Cozy holiday release. The Hip to Be Square die set is a new addition to the Slimline series, featuring a carbon steel die that die cuts 21 small squares from a standard slimline panel. The squares can be cut to create a grid pattern, to create some dimension to the background, or even paper piece back together. As you can see here, the squares pop out and you're left with both the positive and negative images. The negative images are going to be the little small squares that you can either stamp on, ink blend, or color, or you can just use the grid by itself and layer it onto a standard slimline card base. It measures 3.5 by 8.5 inches. The little squares will make cute little scenes for small images included in a variety of stamp sets. All those little pieces that generally are used for accessories can make a really fun mini scenes in each square, or it can even be used as a cover component for a shaker card as well. You'll see here in a second, I'm going to layer it over a standard slimline base. That base measures 3.5 inches by 8.5 inches, and it lines up perfectly. By saving the negative pieces, those squares can now be paper pieced or inlaid right back into the grid in any pattern you choose, making a quilt-like background as well. I hope you enjoy this die as much as I do. It is available now in the shop. I will leave you with some more card examples from our very talented creative team, and I hope you have a wonderful day.